People talk about the seven wonders of the world. But what if we told you that Pakistan has its very own? From the highest mountains to ancient civilizations, here are the seven wonders of Pakistan.
K2, the Savage Mountain, the second highest peak on Earth, where climbers test their limits against nature's fiercest challenge.
Mohenjo Daro, a city 5,000 years old, older than the pyramids, and once the jewel of the Indus Valley civilization. In Lahore stands the Badshahi Mosque, a Mughal masterpiece of red stone and marble, echoing with the prayers of history.
The Karakoram Highway, called the eighth wonder of the world, a road carved by men through impossible mountains.
Where the desert meets the sea, Gwadar, golden cliffs, turquoise waters, and the promise of a new future.
At the foot of Nanga Parbat lies fairy Meadows, a place so magical, travelers call it paradise on earth. In Tata stands Shah Jahan Mosque, every brick a prayer, every tile a masterpiece of blue and white.
These are not just wonders, they are Pakistan's treasures. And together, they tell the story of a land like no other.